And so the height is 5 and the base is 31. So you just add 31 twice and you get 62, and then you add 5 twice and you get 10. So you add those together and you get 72 inches. Okay, so the first one is an object number 1 with a computer keyboard.
Wait, what is it?
It's a computer keyboard.
No, but I'm saying, like, what is yours?
Perimeter. So let's change the fractions into decimals. So 17.4 will be 17.75, and then 6.5 will be 6.50. So we have to add each one twice, and 6.50 times 2 would be 13 inches, and then 17.7.
I did my marbles, 3 medium marbles to 16 small marbles. You can.
I'll just put it up here.
And okay, so she rolled 3. Then she would go 1, 2, 3, and if she landed on a question card, she would pick from the question card, and I have the answer key here. And if you landed on a...
On this edition of Breaking News, ever wondered how surface area affects evaporation? Well, it does. Lake Superior, the largest and deepest Great Lake, has the most surface area of the 5 Great Lakes. From Expo Schools and Elm Resources, we found out that Lake Superior has an area of approximately 31,700 square miles. Its dimensions are 350 miles from west to east and 160 miles from at its widest point.
One with an edge of 4 inches. So the volume would be 125 of the 5-inch run, and then for the 4-inch run it would be 64. So there's a big difference between those two. And then the area would be 150 inches of this one, and then 96 inches squared on this one. And then for the perimeter it would be 60 inches, and then 48 inches. What you got here? I have a Jeopardy game.
Let's see, do you think 3 or 4? I think 3, because it's not like super.
Yeah.
And then originality, project was sun, sky, or large amount. I think it should be, it's like, it's not a 2 or a 1, that's a lie.
My crossword puzzle for area and perimeter, and the clues go to the back. Okay. So I have to figure out this, right? So you just fill out the crossword.
My board game is Volumania, and in Volumania, your goal is to make it through an eventful road trip before your friends do. Your journey starts when you roll the dice and then draw a card from the deck, which I'll place on the desk. On the card, there will be a picture of an object from the classroom with its dimensions. Your job is to find the volume. If you get the question right, you will move however many spaces you rolled on the dice. If there is any directions on the space you land on, you must follow them. If you get the question wrong, you must move to the square that is the same color of the square you're on, going the opposite direction. So if I am on a red square and I get the question wrong, I must move to the closest red square behind me. Have fun.
This is my birthday page, and there's a problem on each page, and that's my cake, and that's me blowing out the candles. This is my aunt's dog sleeping, and my cat, my dog, my grandma and grandpa's dog, my dog again. And this problem is actually true about me.
Can you read the problem off?
For every 15 cats, there's 6 dogs. What's the basic ratio of cats to dogs? And
2 cats. 2 cats.
And I actually have had 2 dogs and 6 cats, so 1 off. And then this is my camping page.
Okay, I did a brochure on changes in dimension, and the first one is going to be a cube, I think. Okay, when you change the measurement of one of a figure, it impacts the perimeter, area, and the volume. For example, if you have a cube that has a side length of 5, but then you change it to 4, there is a big difference in area, volume, and perimeter.
I just measured the perimeter of objects from my room, and I found the perimeter of this notebook. It was one side, the length was 25 inches, and another length was 2 inches, and then the formula and the perimeter was 9 inches.
Wait, I have a question. So that's not
25 inches. Okay, 2.5. Sorry. Whoops.
Oh, you can't really.
Yeah, she's showing up
Wait, but you put length twice.
Well, yeah, one length here and one length here.
Well, isn't that the width?
The height? It's the length and the height, but it doesn't matter. They're both length. Because if you were to turn this sideways, it would be a length, too. So it's fine.
It's good enough.
Alright, the column size.
So, what else do you have?
Well, I did the perimeter of an American Girl doll magazine, which was 9 inches by 10 inches. And the perimeter was 38 inches.